Assalamualaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this object in Solidworks software. So at first I'm taking the new file, then I'm selecting the MMGS, then okay, I'm taking the front plane, and then I'm going to the revolve boss is selected. Go to here, central line is taken. Okay, sketch it. Then I'm going to determine the dimension. It will be 100 millimeters. Then I'm going to take the line command and go to here, here, and finally here. Now a smart dimension is taken, determine it. It will be 30 millimeters. It will be 20 millimeters. It will be 25. It will be 45. I mean, for 40, 50 is enough. Okay, done. And exit it. Then closed. Okay, then I'm going to select the extrude boss, click on the surface, Ctrl 8, then I'm going to select the circle and sketch it. It will be 30 millimeters. Okay, done. Then I'm selecting the tool. Okay, again I'm selecting the extrude boss, click on the surface and taking the circle, sketch it. It will be 35 millimeters. Exit it, and it will be go up to what? Up to 20 millimeters. Okay, done. You are watching. Again I'm taking this portion and click here, then go to here, select the normal plane, taking the circle and sketch it. It will be also 35 millimeters. Then okay, exit it, and this portion also up to 20 millimeters. Okay, done. You're watching is also. Then I'm taking the extrude cut again, click on the surface, go to here, select the normal plane, taking the circle and sketch a circle. Okay, here it will be 10 millimeters. Then go to here, circular sketch pattern. In a circular sketch pattern select, then 4 is automatically created for circle. Here 4 is selected, so I am taking it 8 circle. You are watching. Then okay, go to here, then roll is selected. Then we can take the we can take the extruded cut, click on the surface, go to here, select it, and corner rectangle is taken, sketch it. Okay, go to the smart dimension and determine from here to here it will be 10, and from here to here it will be 30. Then you are watching it. We can increase this 35 taken, then exit it, and it will be up to 20. No, it will be up to 15 millimeters is perfect. Okay, done. You are watching it. Then I am going to select the materials. Then I am taking the steel, polish steel is selected, and I am taking this color. Now this color is selected, and I am reducing it, increasing or decreasing. Also I am taking this one, then change the color, deep color, white color, bright color. Okay, okay, I'm taking this color. Then I'm going here, select it, then I'm taking this one. Okay, section B you are watching. Watching the section B now. You're watching again. Control 8, so Control 7, Control 8, and Control 7. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.